Alright guys, welcome back to JForce Gaming. And do you want to remove the screen time on your iPhone itself? Easily you exceeded the screen time, or you actually set up, the screen time passcode on your phone, or previously all this and that, and you forgotten how to remove that, or you forgot the password to the parental controls, all this and that. Alright, and just want to remove the screen time because every time you use your phone halfway, or it reached the limit, and you cannot use it again. So until the screen time is like the limit is up, alright, where you can use it again. So it's a very, very frustrating thing. I understand it a lot because I have had set it up before on myself on my own iPhone. Because at the time when I was very new to iPhone, because I'm an Android user all the time, I was like, what is this screen time thing? I just set it up, and apparently I was faced with the same issue, which is really, really dumb. Alright, and today I'm going to show you guys how you guys can actually remove screen time passcode. Alright, so you don't have to key in the passcode, all this and that, alright, to remove the screen time itself. Alright, and yeah, you guys can do it right away and start removing it right away. You guys can use your phone right away without any screen time lock anymore. So how am I supposed to do that? Well, it's with the help of this tool right here. So this is the iPhone Unlocker, alright, and this is basically an iPhone hospital. Alright, so this is an all-in-one, all-rounded software that helps with any issue that you're facing with your iPhone, or even like activation lock, forgetting your passcode, all this and that, remote management lock, all this and that. You guys can use this, and as well as also removing a screen time passcode on your phone itself, which is super amazing. I personally use this once to remove iCloud activation lock, and the second time is because of the screen time passcode, which is really dumb of me. Alright, so you can use this to remove any issues that you're facing with your iPhone right now. So right now I'm going to show you guys the software itself. You can see what are the features it has, followed by a quick demonstration of the whole removal process. You guys can see how easy and how straightforward the whole process is, and you guys can start removing your screen time passcode right away without the need of worrying about doing anything wrong. So without further ado, let me just go ahead and show you guys the software itself first. Let's go. Alright, as you guys can see right behind me, this is the iPhone Unlocker, and it has so many different features like I stated earlier on, like removing unlocking of our screen if you forgot your password, alright, unlocking of Apple ID, forget Apple ID password, removing iCloud lock, removing your mobile device management, alright, password manager, removing of iTunes backup encryption. And the one we're talking about today will be the unlocking of screen time passcode. So this is like all-in-one software. So if you have friends or family or anyone else, or even yourself will face any of these issues in the future, you know which software to run to. Alright, so right now I'm just click on this unlocking of screen time passcode. And first thing you have to do is just to connect your affected device to your PC or your laptop. And it should auto-detect, and it should reboot your phone into recovery mode and DFU mode, and just let the software do its job. And after a while, you guys can start using your phone right away. So this is very easy, very straightforward process, which I'm showing the whole demonstration itself right now. Alright, as you guys can see right now, this is my iPhone itself. Alright, and you guys can see when I want to play certain games or what you'll say I reached my limit, so I cannot play it anymore until I ask for more time or remember the passcode to it. So yeah, I can't even use any of the app because I reached the time limit, and this is the frustration part about having a screen time lock itself. So right now I'm going to show you how to remove that. Alright, first I have to just connect my iPhone to my PC via a USB cable, and once I've connected it to it, alright, let's go back to the software itself, and it should auto detect. And after that, you ask me to unlock the screen time passcode. You guys can see I just click on start, and you start unlocking the screen time passcode itself. Alright, so for me, this process takes about 15 to 20 minutes, alright, depending on your phone model and as well as how fast your phone is. Alright, once it says remove successfully, alright, my phone should reboot a few times. Alright, the Apple logo should come out, turn it on and off a few times. After that, you should go back to the home screen itself, and after that, just swipe it out, enter my own passcode, and you guys can see I can use the app as per normal. You guys can see, alright, Facebook is back. I can use my Facebook itself, alright, which is really cool. There's no more like screen time lock anymore on it. Pokemon Go, I can play my favorite games. There's no more screen lock on it. All this you guys can see. Alright, I can play it, so there's no more pop-out saying that I have reached my limit. I can start playing it right now. Alright, so this is how simple and how straightforward the whole unlocking process is of removing the screen lock itself on your iPhone itself. So yeah, this is how easy and how straightforward the whole demonstration process is. Alright, so you guys can see from the whole demonstration itself, and you guys want to start removing your screen lock from your phone, you guys can go ahead and check out this. Alright, Mac phone, iPhone unlocker. I'll link them the first link in the description down below for you guys to go ahead and check it out and get it for yourself. Right now, you guys can see how easy, how straightforward, and how amazing this thing is. And the best part about this software is, right, you don't have to go down to third-party unlockers, all this and that. You're gonna waste your petrol, your time, and as well as they're gonna charge you 4 to 5 times the price, rather than getting this software itself. And you can do it at the comfort of your own home. So there's so much benefits of getting this software directly. Alright, guys, so much time, save so much energy, save so much money just by doing it comfortably at your own home, and within 15-20 minutes time, or there's no more screen lock, you can start using your phone right away. So this is very easy, very straightforward, and really, really amazing. So once again, if you want to check out this, alright, Mac phone, iPhone unlocker, I'll link them the first link in the description down below, so you guys can get it for yourself and start removing, alright, the screen lock on your phone right now. So yeah, if you find this video really interesting and did help you out, do give you a thumbs up and comment down below your iPhone model as well. And that's all for today, guys, and this is 𝖩forcegaming, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.